Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 18 of Earl Nightingale's 2 Steps to Create a Miracle in Your Life. Here we are on day 18. It is time for you to start thinking about those specific areas that you can shore up and make yourself stronger. If there are steps that you're taking that you're a little bit weaker on, take your weakness, turn it into your strength. It's time for you to really buckle down on that 20% that's going to bring you the 80% of your good results. The 20% of things that you've identified that's really working, stick to that, lean into it, really work hard and focus on those things to continue to get those great results that you're looking for. You can achieve your goal. Cut away the inessentials. Leave behind the things that aren't working and focus on the things that are working. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. Day 18. Let's get to it.